to bed though. It wasn't playing the guy you were playing, so the video must have ended. It was playing a different guy, but he was kind of talking about the same thing. Yeah. You gotta be careful with that, babe, because like you don't want it to play some video you don't want to be sleeping to.
I know. I usually don't.
Like, imagine you're listening to that, and then like King Ass Ripper comes on. He's like, "Oh yeah, slather some mayonnaise on it, stick it in my gut." He kind of talks like Sling Blade a little bit, like if Sling Blade and Geen had a fucking baby. That's what he talks like. Oh yeah, he's just a boy. When's the last time we talked together? Like, when's the last time we called you?
Just the other day.
That's good.
I was texting him yesterday.
Swag.
Hello, everybody. I just ordered a bunch of stuff for confetti, so I kind of almost want to wait until I get that stuff in before we do our confetti.
What did you get?
Natural tumbled stones, finally. Hi, can I please have a venti ice shake and espresso with half and half instead of the 2%?
I want that too this time.
Okay. Can I have 2 of those, please?
Okay.
And that's it.
It's gonna be $11.80.
Thank you.
You have hiccups.
I have hiccups, babe.
Let's go get a beach house.
My dopamine is depleted. That was a
Jeez, that was weird.
reverse burp and a hiccup. Hi, Cody Ann.
Babe,
Good
your
morning.
eyebrows are popping today, babe.
They are?
I feel like they are on the camera. I think it's your hair.
My eyebrows look good, babe? Thanks. I thought I brought my vape. It's nothing a little lipstick can't fix.
Best of King Cobra 2021.
Hey, Tanina. Hold your breath, pinch one of your ears, and lift up one of your legs to get rid of your hiccups. No, I hiccuped while I was doing it. What always works for me is when I hold my breath and swallow 3 times.
Damn.
You ever try to swallow while you hold your breath? It's kind of hard. Do it. Swallow and hold your breath.
I felt it.
Swallow more. Swallow again.
It is hard, but you can do it.
And spit up 100 times.
Spit 100 times? What?
Jenny's just making a joke. I'm on this new app, and it's for makeup, and I am obsessed, and I'm buying makeup from this app.
What the hell is this Starlight Coca-Cola? I keep seeing it.
It's called Super Great. I'm gonna link my account so you guys can follow me on there, and it's for beauty reviews, and I love it. Hey, Margaret. Yeah, for real. What are we doing today? I'm working. I'm doing a supporter Zoom, of course. Supporter Zoom today. We're going to SeaWorld on Tuesday. Or we're going to Austin on Tuesday. SeaWorld on Wednesday. It'll be $11.80. Hold on, I'm gonna use my point. And then we'll pay for it with this one. Boom.
You know, it's kind of impressive how much Apple Cash I get and so quickly because of this Apple Card. I already have $50.
Thank you. Can we please have a straw?
Babe, I already have $50 in Apple Cash.
Thank you. I just had $84 in Apple Cash. I spent it, I think.
I'm gonna save it until I have like a fucking massed amount. And then I'm gonna spend it all on Magic Cards. Watch. I think that's a good idea.
Or you can wait till you have a massive amount and then you can pay off your credit card bill if you have one. And then, oh my
Babe, I always
God,
pay off
imagine
the
if
credit
you,
bill.
I know, but I'm saying with ease. So imagine if you saved your Apple Cash and that's what you bought our engagement ring with.
Yo, that's a fucking genius idea. Actually,
Like,
that's a really fucking smart idea. That'd be really cool.
and not for nothing, but do you know what that would also signify?
My old roommate, Austin, the piece of shit one.
Time, investment, holding off, waiting,
Yeah, no,
patience.
That's facts. You know what my Austin, my old roommate Austin did?
What?
He saved all his tips from when he was bartending, and he bought his new Jeep in $1 bills. It wasn't like super expensive. It was like a used Jeep, you know, some guy was selling, but still, he gave him a bunch of $1 bills, and the guy took it. He's like, sure.
He's kind of an asshole for that. He should have just packaged them up in
Right?
vans and brought it to the bank and then got the guy.
That's serious. Like, that's facts. It's kind of cool though. He like bought a new car over time with his tips.
Have you tried quickly drinking ice cold water? I feel like I have done that in my life.
What helps hiccups for me is if I hold my
Oh,
breath.
ice cold water for the hiccups.
If I hold my breath and take a big swig of something, that usually cures my hiccups.
Going to the thrift store gives me dopamine. Adderall gives me dopamine. So the fact that I haven't had Adderall in how many days, babe? What is today? Day 6?
You said yesterday was day 7, I thought. Oh, then today's day 6.
I feel like I'm starting to notice the fact that I'm looking for dopamine. Like I'm looking for.
Where's that car again? I like this fucking car.
I'm looking for something to make me feel like good. Like.
No, I think I like little hatchbacks like that.
Oh my God, the Rice Krispies are so good.
Is it a Subaru, babe? What is that?
Looks like a Lancer.
Yeah, I like those cars. They're fucking dope.
What is a Lancer? Mitsubishi?
It's a Subaru.
No.
It yeah, no, Lancer isn't a Mitsubishi, is it?
That's what that looks
Look,
like.
you got purple interior too. Look at that shit. What the fuck?
That's a cool car.
I forgot what kind of car it is.
It's a Lancer. Alright, I'm gonna drive past it. Look at the front of it.
Yep. Mitsubishi.
Aha! Jenny, I don't like the thrift stores in LA. I didn't really have a fun time there.
Yeah,
I feel like everything was or overly priced. The best thrift stores are the ones in rural ass, weird ass towns. Those are the best thrift stores.
You know what we should do this weekend instead of SeaWorld? Go get a beach house and then go thrifting the whole weekend. And find the weirdest shit. Try to find the weirdest. And we'll have a competition on who can find the weirdest or coolest thing. Okay, we'll have a category for coolest thing and then a category for weirdest thing. But it doesn't mean we're gonna buy out the whole fucking store. We gotta find the weirdest
And
thing.
category for the most expensive thing. Not that we could buy, but that could sell for.
Oh, that's a good idea. I feel like we have to go to SeaWorld now, though, because we told lies. What if we go to SeaWorld, get a beach house, and then do that? What if we go to SeaWorld and then get a beach house?
Okay.
Instead of doing, like, Six Flags and all this. Like, let's try to, like, level it out.
Okay.
Because that would make me feel a lot more happier. Get some relaxation.
What about a lake house?
That's even cooler than a beach house.
SeaWorld and then a lake house.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go to SeaWorld
And then
on
if
Wednesday, I think.
If we get a lake house with Wi-Fi, I'll bring my MacBook and my machine. I gotta go to Guitar Center, get new headphones out.
We're gonna get a lake house this week. We're gonna go to Austin and we're gonna have via 313 pizza. Right, babe? Hey.
I don't like how this dries out my mouth so bad.
What? Why is your mouth dry?
Coffee makes me, like, coffee with all this, like, cream and sweetener dries my mouth.
Yeah, Steph, absolutely. Stephanie, let me know what time is the best for you. I have a 1 o'clock appointment. I have a 2 o'clock. Well, this is not open. I have to go home right now. I have Tabitha, I think, at 1 o'clock. I have Tony at 2 or 3. And then I have this guy, Tanner, who's coming over my house to get a session at 3. So what do you have available for 4, 5, 6 o'clock at night? So that would be 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night your time. Is that okay? Yeah, it was up here.
Up here? Or down there?
No, up here is where it happened. I got into an accident yesterday, a car accident, kinda. Look, you could see my tire tracks. Look.
Oh, I did see him.
I was afraid I was gonna go down in the ditch. Okay. That's what we like.
That's what we like. So that mailman that comes, he he doesn't deliver shit to our mailbox, I don't think.
He does.
Well,
Do you have the keys?
every time I check this early, we don't have it.
Do you have the keys?
Nope. What the fuck? What the fuck? They be fucking slacking some days then. Because when I checked at 3, there was no mail. When I checked at 4, there was mail. It's only fucking noon.
Babe, what if we rent out both houses and monopolize on this block?
Can we do that?
I don't know.
I'll stay in one house.
All right, guys, I'm out.
One
I'll be
house
back
will
on
my
a little
studio.
bit. Bye.